Applications of Python. Python is a widely used high level general purpose programming language ideal for developing a wide range of software applications. In recent years, it has become a popular choice among the beginners and professionals due to its simple and easy to understand syntax. It has become the preferred language for developers in various application areas. The first one is web development with Python. Python plays a key role in modern web development, offering robust framework like Django, Flask, and Bottle that enable developers to build secure, scalable, and efficient web applications. Its seamless integration with databases, APIs, and tools make development streamlined and efficient. With strong community support, Python simplifies full stack development, enhances security, and accelerates deployment, making it ideal for projects of all scales, from startups to large enterprises. Second application is machine learning and artificial intelligence. Python is the go to language for machine learning and artificial intelligence due to its simplicity, versatility, and extensive library support including TensorFlow, scikit-learn, and PyTorch. It facilitates model development, automates complex tasks, and supports deep learning workflow with the strong integration capabilities and thriving community. Python is perfect for AI-driven innovations across various industries. Third one is console-based applications. Python is well suited for creating command line applications, offering simplicity along with the powerful built in and third party libraries. It includes a built in read eval print loop for interactive coding, argparse for parsing command line arguments, and rich for advanced text formatting. With robust input output support system, Python is widely used for scripting, automation, and system tools, enabling the development of efficient console utilities. Next is desktop application development. Python simplifies the creation of desktop GUI applications using frameworks such as tkinter, pyqt, and Kiwi. tkinter is ideal for lightweight interfaces. Pyqt allows for more complex and professional grade, while Kiwi supports cross-platform development. Additional tools like WXPython and PyGTK offer even more customization options, making Python a strong choice for building interactive and responsive desktop software. Next is business applications. Python is highly regarded for building business applications thanks to its flexibility, readability, and comprehensive libraries. It powers e commerce systems, ERP platforms, and customer relationship management tools. Applications like Odoo and Titan, both built on Python, offer extensive features for inventory, accounting, and sales. Its strong database integration and modular design streamline enterprise development workflows. Next is enterprise application. Python is a trusted choice for enterprise grade applications due to its scalability, reliability, and broad ecosystem. It supports the development of tools for resource planning, financial analysis, and operation management. Open source solutions like Odoo and Titan provide modular customizable platforms, while Piccolo adds fraud detection through data analytics. Python's compatibility with major databases and systems ensures smooth enterprise development. Next is image processing. Python excels in image processing, offering libraries like OpenCV, Pillow, and Simple ITK. For image analysis, transformation, and enhancement, these tools are widely used in the fields such as medical imaging, computer vision, and graphical editing, enabling tasks like filtering, feature detection, and image manipulation with high precision and speed. Next is 3D CAD applications. Python supports the development of the 3D CAD computer aided design applications used in engineering, architecture, and manufacturing. It enables automation, customization, and integration with design tools, aiding in complex simulations, modeling, and prototyping. This adaptability boosts precision and innovation in technical industries. Next is audio and video applications. Python is extensively used in multimedia applications for playing, editing, and streaming audio and video content. Libraries like PyDub, OpenCV, and MoviePy allow the efficient handling, manipulation, and rendering of media files. Python's simplicity and flexibility make it powerful tool for building immersive multimedia platforms and content creation tools. Next is software development tools. Python simplifies software development by supporting automation, testing, version control, and project management. Its readable syntax, strong community support, and extensive standard library make it ideal for building and managing complex software systems. Python also integrates well with the other technologies, reinforcing its role in entire development lifecycle. Here is the conclusion for the applications of Python. Python stands out as a powerful and adaptable programming language that plays a pivotal role in various industries. From web and software development to AI, image processing, and enterprise systems, Python delivers simplicity, scalability, and innovation. Its wide ranging application, strong community, and rich ecosystem ensures its continued relevance and dominance in the world of technology.